I don't get it. I've been wearing my helmet for the longest period of time. And yeah, I do have the mount on. And I changed over from a headlight to this mount a while ago. And here we have let me wear my helmet and do a vlog with it. And yeah, I got these beautiful overlays. How you like this overlay? It's very simple. I maybe should have just had it, stayed white than to have it come in, my name, and then slide away. I may just modify it a little bit more. It's a little difficult to modify for the reasons of. I already made my compound clip, it's into the cloud, and I don't think I could get it back to edit in. But I'm able to add into it and do things I want. I got my outro done where I extended my edit. Man, I don't have to worry about making it a GIF background so everything's all clear. It automatically does, and that's the wonderful part of Wondershare Filmora 13. So I got my helmet on the whole summer, and I got my intro, and I got my outro, and I got a new way I've done things. And how you like it? Sweet, short, to the point. Let's get on out of here.